Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Art and Craft. Item we need: Aqeeq beads, cord beads, elastic. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell. Start. 8 cord bead, again Aqeeq beads, cord beads, Aqeeq beads, again cord. See the bracelet. Now again 8 beads. 1, 2, remove needle from elastic, make a knot, second knot. If you like my tutorial, give a thumbs up and share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest update. Keep watching my videos. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.